This is the build video about how we assemble the aluminum bed to make your Smith Beetle Ute. So as we've talked about before, when you cut your car, you're gonna have this bare shell in front of you. The first step is to take your aluminum pieces, and we're gonna go through those piece by piece. You're going to drill each of the mounting holes, and then you're gonna bolt the whole thing together loosely and position it on the Beetle shell. So the first piece that makes up the rear bed of the aluminum Smith kit is the front wall. And that's the piece that has the Smith logo installed. And this is really the only one that's a little tricky because the bottom holes that you see here in black, those are 3/16 rivet holes. So they stay small. The rest of the pierces on the bed, you're gonna drill out to 5/16. I personally drill them out 1/32 of an inch larger than 5/16 to make it easier for the bolts to go through, but we'll talk about that later. So here is your Smith wall. Zoom in right here if you could. All these little pierces here, I just wanted to show you. I'll pick this off. When the machine makes a pierce, it looks just like this. This is a little, just a tiny 1/8 of an inch little zap that the CNC machine makes when we're forming the part. I circled the ones on the very bottom, and you can see there's this gentle bend on the bottom of the front wall. These pierces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them across the middle, those remain 3/16 of an inch. The rest of these pierces, there's, you can see these two here, there's two here, there's two up here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 of these in the middle. You can see these here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the rest of the pierces are going to be the larger holes for the 8mm bolts. And these are the bolts that you'll have in your kit. You'll see a little Allen head stainless steel 20mm bolt. This is the bread and butter of the assembly of the Smith kit. And then just, there's washers and nuts and things like that. So in order to drill a hole for these bolts, I use the 11, in order to drill the holes for these bolts, I personally use an 11/32 drill bit for the 8mm bolt. A 5/16 bit is actually the tightest fit, and so if you want to use that, go ahead. But I use a little bit oversized so that I can drill it once, slide the bolt through, tighten it down, and be done. So we're gonna, in the next step, take the front wall, which you just saw, that's this one. So this is the very forward wall of the Smith bed. We're gonna take the two bed sides that you see in the back here, the left side and the right bed side. All of the pierces on that piece are the larger 5/16 holes. And then we're gonna take the two trays. There's a front tray that has a hole in it. And there's a rear tray that has these tabs in the front. Those two trays, coupled with the front wall and these two sides, and you've got the entire perimeter of the Smith aluminum Ute bed for the Beetle.